May I come in, sir?
Yes, please. You have to close the door.
Sir,
Acha, cameraman is there. Oh, I'm sorry. No problem. But you can close. He will open, no problem. Come again. You have to close the door after getting inside. Knock the door. Yes, please.
may I come in, sir?
Yes, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
May
What
I
is your
ask-
name?
My name is Soni Dhankar,
Sony.
sir.
Please have a seat, Sony.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, can you go through your resume?
Yes.
Yes, fine. All right, all right. All right, Sony, please tell me something about yourself.
First of all, thank you, sir, for having me this wonderful opportunity.
Can you speak louder a little bit, please? Because I cannot hear you.
Okay. First of all, sir, thank you for having me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself before you. My name is Soni Dhankar and I am from Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. I am 18 years old and now I am doing my graduation from CCS University. And I am a self-motivated person and I am always ready for learning new things. That's all about.
That's fine. Okay, Sony. As I can see that in your CV or resume, do you know the difference between CV and resume?
Sir, according to me, both are same.
Both are same. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, your skills are like you have good communication, customer service, adaptability, and active listening.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. So, what are your hobbies? Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Can you please mention those hobbies?
Sir, my hobbies are traveling, listening music, dancing, playing. That's all are my hobbies.
That's fine. So, Miss Soni Dhankar, what is the meaning of Dhankar? It is Dhankar or Dhankar?
Dhankar.
Dhankar. So, what is the meaning of Dhankar? Because I'm hearing this for the first time.
Sir, it's my surname.
Okay, fine. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Amit Kumar.
Sorry?
Mr. Amit Kumar.
Acha, why it is Kumar then?
Sir, it's surname.
It is surname. So, in your home, there are so many surnames.
No, sir, it's not so many surnames, but I don't know behind, but the reason behind it, but
Like, especially if I belong to Yadav family, so everybody is like Yadav, Yadav, Yadav,
Yadav.
right? So, your father is Kumar and you are Dhankar. That
Yes,
is why
sir.
I asked you.
sir, Dhankar surname represent our community and our caste.
Okay.
And Kumar like that only for fulfill the name.
For fulfilling the name.
Yes, sir.
Which fulfillment is going on here? All right, no problem, Sony. So, Sony, you are sitting here in this interview today, especially you are targeting Indigo.
Yes, sir.
Fine. What do you like about Indigo?
Sir, I like Indigo because of
Because of?
its customer service and the disciplined staff and I like most of the things is coordination of staff.
Very nice, very nice. Okay. Why air hostess? Why not, anything else? Like there are so many jobs.
Sir, well, to be honest, if I talk about cabin crew, so it's suitable for me according to my strength and according to my hobbies. Like I am a self-motivated person, so it's very useful in cabin crew. And
Oh, that's very nice. Who told you about this position, about this job?
no one told me about the cabin crew.
Then how did you know?
Sir, I chose myself.
You chose by yourself?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. So your hobbies are traveling, listening music.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So in how many countries have you traveled so far?
Sir, now I'm not.
You have not traveled.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. Any city?
Yes, sir.
In which city? The longest distance that you have covered. Where did you go?
Sir, Missouri.
Missouri. What did you see there?
Sir, only I'm go there.
I'm go there.
I was go.
I was go. Is this sentence or what? I went there.
I went there.
For what?
Because of my inner peace.
Inner peace.
I'm not feeling well, so
I was not
I
feeling.
was not feeling well. So on that time,
At that time,
I decided to went there.
to go there. When you use to, then first form.
Okay.
Only one sentence, then I went there. Okay. So what did you learn? Like you learned the piece actually.
Yes.
You went alone there, or you went with somebody,
With my friends.
with your friend. That's fine. Sony. Dancing and playing, right?
Yes, sir.
What kind of games do you play, indoor or outdoor?
Sir, both games.
Fine. In your free time, what do you do?
In my free time, I'm listening music, and sometime when I'm feeling, when my mood is
Hmm.
good, so on that time, I was cooking.
Can you be more louder, please? I'm so sorry. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
In my free time,
Hmm.
I'm listening music,
Hmm.
and
I'm listening. No, I listen.
I
Because
listen music.
I listen
Music.
music. Old music, music or songs.
So, song.
Yeah, exactly. We can't listen only music. Yeah, of course we can't listen music. We can listen songs, right? You listen old songs or new songs.
Sir, it's depend on my mood.
It depends on my mood.
Yes.
Say it depends.
It depends on my mood.
Fine. Okay, Sony. Why should I hire you? Hmm.
Sir, according to this job, well, to be honest,
Hmm.
I have adaptability, and I'm always curious for learning new things.
So,
So
no, don't say curious. Curious.
Curious.
Say again.
curious,
Hmm.
curious things, and
I'm always curious to learn new things.
yes, sir.
Say again. Say again.
I'm always ready. I'm always curious to learn.
Curious. No. Curious.
Curious. Curious new things.
To learn new things. Don't you think that your English is not okay?
Yes, sir.
So, are you learning English?
Yes, sir.
What are you doing for English?
Sir,
Hmm.
I'm right. I'm
Mm-hmm.
my old schedule. I write on a paper, and after that I found the mistakes. What mistakes in this, and after I realized it. That
So, you are learning English by yourself. You're not attending any class.
Sir, I'm attending
Where are you attending the classes?
Welltalk Institute.
What is Well Talk? I don't know.
Sir, Welltalk is in Lucknow
I mean, it is for what?
for learning English.
For learning English. So, you're joining class over there?
Yes, sir.
So, if you're learning English there, then why are you just speaking incorrect English?
Sir, because now I'm learning.
Now you're learning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. What is aviation? What do you know about aviation?
Sir, according to me,
Mm-hmm. According to me.
aviation. If I talk about aviation, so it includes like aircraft, cabin crew members, and the ground staff. And aviation is where we see all members and many members working together with coordination, with discipline.
Very
and,
good.
Aviation is a very professionalism industry.
Beautiful. Do you know some of the terms of airlines like pre-flight, in-flight, post-flight?
Yes, sir.
What do you know? Three of them. Tell me, please. What is pre-flight? First of all, tell me.
So in pre-flight, cabin crew members checking all the aircraft, everything is okay, and that's pre-flight.
That comes under in-flight.
Yes, sir. No, sir. It's pre-flight.
Pre-flight. What comes under in-flight?
In flight, firstly, greeting them, cabin crew.
Greeting them, like I don't understand. Greeting with whom?
Passenger.
Passengers.
Yes, sir.
And
After that, she will.
you look very unconfident. I'm sorry. I mean, we are here to take interview and just we will select those people who are good enough. But I don't think that you are good enough. I'm sorry. You should prepare more and come tomorrow, or come in other interview. I'm sorry.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. बैठिए पहले सुन के जाइए गलतियाँ इंट्रोडक्शन दे रही हैं हाथ टच कर रही है यहाँ पे दैट वाज रॉन्ग आंसर विद कोऑर्डिनेशन विद ग्राउंड स्टाफ इट वाज ब्यूटीफुल व्हाई एविएशन नहीं सॉरी व्हाट इज़ एविएशन यू आंसर्ड ब्यूटीफुली आई एम गो थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस की गलती थी और थोड़ा सा डाउन होकर बोल रही हैं वो डाउन होकर मत बोलिए यही चीज़ को ध्यान दीजिए। सेकंड राउंड में अभी बुलाया जाएगा, हो सकता है नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में ये चीज़ें नहीं मिलनी चाहिए, ठीक है ना। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। अभी कुछ बताया गया था आपको कैसे जाना है, बैठिए फिर से, बैठिए, ये लीजिए। अभी अंदर बताया गया था कि जब इंटरव्यू हो जाए जाते समय कुछ बोलना होता है, थोड़ा सा एटिकेट्स लेकर आइए। यस,
सर मैं
और सीवी लेके नहीं जाया जाता है, वो यहीं जमा रहती है। और पहली बात, आजकल एयर हॉस्टेस का इंटरव्यू जो भी होता है सीवी वगैरह पहले ही सबमिट हो जाते हैं। यस प्लीज़,
मैं गो सर।
यस प्लीज़।
सर
हंस के नहीं, स्माइल, laugh and smile, there are two things, you have to smile, you don't have to laugh.
सर आई फॉरगॉट।
May I go please?
मैं गो प्लीज।
उसके बाद जाते समय थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग वर्ड्स विथ मी सर, हैव अ नाइस डे। बोलिए फिर से, जितना आपको याद आ रहा है, जितना आपको समझ में आ रहा है वही बोल के आप जाइए।
मैं गो सर।
यस प्लीज़,
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।